Hello and welcome to Clay to Canopy, the show where I attempt to make just about everything from the ground up. And welcome to week 20 of the Don't Wake the Dragon series. Alright, so I took the last 4 to 5 days off camera just trying to get the head situated and working on the horns and finishing off the base. Now, it is supposed to rain, and it may start raining pretty much any minute. But it's supposed to be a heavy rain within the next 2 hours and then on and off for the rest of the week. I have the base all bedded down. It's got all of its tarp up. The head is in this stage. It may look like it's not much has happened, but I went ahead and grinded down all the exterior and got my full sheet coating on those first 3 sections of the nose. And I have now the 4th layer secured, all except for the eye points. That section over here where the eye is gonna go, I haven't fully secured yet. I might leave it until I get the eye in. I'm not sure yet. I left those two kind of just dangling there momentarily. So the next move on this is going to be to snap off all of my zip ties and then continue coating on the inside. The horns have grown. Oh, I also cut out the nostrils because that's where the smoke's going to come out of. I've decided that for the nose, the hood of the nostrils, I'm going to leave these pieces off until I get at least the black fabric stage up and done. Then these will go on. So that way the interior of this will have the black, maybe even the mica. And then the horns are moving alongside. I'm at a standstill point with the horns because the next 4 pieces don't fully attach to themselves. They attach only 3 sections, and then the other section gets attached to the head and to some other side panels, which means that I don't know what the angles are, where they land. It's not like another layer of circle where the angles kind of match up and are perfect. This is going to have to get worked into the 7th layer. I've got 2 more to put on, and then the horns will be attached in the ring of that other layer. I started coating some of the horns on the exterior and grinding them down and filling in where I could with peanut butter. The interiors have been blackened out so that you can't see them. I did one side of the exterior tape. I need to rotate each one before I can do each seam. Same goes with the head. So the past like 5-ish days have been me coming out here doing maybe 2 to 3 hours of work and then having to pack it in because I have to shift this thing. The weather being so cold, the resin isn't curing fast enough in order for me to flip it over and get another round in. So I've literally only been able to put on a couple panels or a couple like seam tape lines and then have to walk away for both the horns and for the head. I feel like this coming week is going to basically be the same thing. Not much is going to happen other than the progression of this head. I think I'm just going to time lapse the footage. I'm just going to not talk through the rest of the remaining video until I come to the end to recap. Y'all, it's Saturday, December 31st? New Year's Eve, is it? No, hold on. Y'all, it is New Year's Eve, and as you can see, rain is still happening, which means, unfortunately, I will not be able to do any resining. So I'm gonna call this vlog here. Look at the birds. The birds are still here in the freaking rain. My gosh, look at the doves. Might have morning doves. Come on, babies. I can see them, but I don't know if you can. Little birds, morning doves. Anyhow, I'm gonna call this vlog here, and hopefully when the rain clears up, I will be able to get back to work. But honestly, it's saying rain for the next week, so I may not be getting much done. I can't believe they are out here in the rain. They're literally getting soaked, but pecking at the leaves. There's seeds under there. I do throw out lots of seeds. My gosh, there's so many. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already. Stick around to watch this project all unfold. And remember, don't wake the dragon.